all doing? So I wanted to do this sort of video from a really long time, sharing with you something about just one brand and talking about only them and the products from them. So I've been using Avon products from a really long time, and because this is a sort of a brand where the very well-known brand when I came to know about was just Avon and Oriflame, and I was very obsessed with the nail paints and the lip balms, which was always in offer. So I don't get I don't get the Avon products from like the store or something like that online. I just get it from like people who work with them. So they give this sort of a books where you just select products whatever you want and you tell them to bring. So you get it in like a discount as well most of the time, because they are always in sort of sales and stuff. So this time one of my friend works with them, and I ordered a lot of things from her, and these are the repurchase. I've been using Avon products since childhood, like not like really like a toddler, but like maybe like teenager. I used to spend in that lip balm, which was like very famous lip balm, and all the products which I'm sharing today is like the best product from Avon, and I have been using them from a really long time, and I know it is really good quality. And yeah, and first thing is by their perfume selection is the Little Black Dress. This is one of their best seller and one of their best very best perfumes out there. It's very affordable as well, and the fact that it comes in 3 different variants like Little Black Dress, Little Red Dress, and also a golden one. Out of those 3, I really love the black one. I have used this in the past, but it was in different color variant. Now they have changed all the design and stuff, which really put a lot of efforts in their packaging as well, which is really a good thumbs up, because dude, who wants a lot of time to just spend on the packaging, right? So this retails for 350 rupees, but it was a sale and I got it for around 200 or something like that. But it is for 350, but I got it for more less price because it was on deal, and I don't buy products whenever it's on MRP thing. Whenever it's on deal and stuff, I go and buy it that time. So this is the first item which I highly recommend. It has very sort of fragrance which has very woody sort of fragrance. I think I really love a perfume which has a strong woody fragrance and like musky and stuff. I don't like much of floral fragrance, so this is one of the best perfumes out there. Okay, now second, makeup. Obviously I had to include makeup. Now this is something which I have been this is only first purchase, but I have used this from so long, guys. This is like one of the product which has not over yet in my whole wardrobe. It's like Avon Skin Goodness CC color corrector cream. So it has SPF of 50 PA++, dude. It's like the sunblock. It is like the CC BB whatever cream it is, and it is so lightweight. It is really water in consistency. When you apply it on, it just melts in your skin. Doesn't feel heavy at all. Most of the BB cream doesn't have a lot of SPF, so I wanted to invest in this. It is it is a bit expensive. It is for $3.99, but it is so worth it. It will never it is something which doesn't get over for so long. I will definitely recommend this to you guys. It doesn't come in a lot of shade. That is something which I don't like about Avon, but medium weight is my shade, and it's kind of really good. I can wear this, and when you just top it up with a compact, it just looks really good. So I highly recommend this. One is like a compact which I've used more than 3 to 4 times, like 3 to 4 compact, like 3 to 4 tube tops of this. So I have purchased, and this is like my 5th, maybe, I don't remember, I have not counted, but maybe 5th or 6th purchase. So this is their simple Avon Simple Pretty Compact. So this is in the shade, I think, golden beige, and even this comes with the SPF of 14. Now I don't buy mostly a compact for the SPF, but the quality, I have been using this, like this was like the Lakme one, and the Avon one was the first compact which I used to use when I was like around 7th, 8th standard, I guess, when like for an event or something like that, not like everyday sort of use, because that time makeup was just for festive events or like really good events and stuff like that. So this was the very first. The fact that it is in pink in color, and pink is like something very girly, and I really love that time. I don't like the color right now, but the packaging is really slick. It's like very handy. It comes with a mirror, which is so good, and it retails for rupees 299. But for the discount, I got it for 175. It was on sale. So whenever you get hands on the sale thing, definitely go and purchase, because some of the Avon products are really worth it, guys. So this is my next favorite. Okay, so the next one is a skincare or a body care. This is their Avon Nature's Body Care Lightning Papaya and Soya Hand and Body Lotion. This is so good, guys. They also has an apple variant, which is also not that I have not used it, but I have sniffed a fragrance because one of my friend uses it. I wanted papaya because papaya is like my favorite reasons, and this is a really good body lotion. It's very lightweight, very water based, and just gets absorbed in your skin. So best for summer season. It's not very heavy on your body, but it does the job. So this retails for 159, just 159, and this will last you for more than 2 to 3 months, guys. It is so good, and the fragrance is literally over. This is my very old packaging is literally over. So yeah, this is my next recommendation. Favorite part, nail paints. I love Avon nail paints. Like I can't even tell you, like I have purchased so much of their nail paints, guys. Like they always have that deal where you get 3 nail paints for 159 rupees, and the quality is bang on. It doesn't cheap for more than 4 to 5 days, and it is very long lasting. The color selection is also very nice. I'll just show you the color range in the book itself, but the first they have different sort of variants in it well. So this is like the Avon gel finished. So this is like from the gel finish sort of range, and this is in the shade Perfect Pink. It's a really good color, really like bright. Next nail paint range which I'm talking about is like the small mini nail paints which they come. So they are like, they always come in offer where you get 3 for 139 or 150 or 120 something sort of price. So I got it for 169, 3 for 169, and I got 6 of them. So I'll just show you one color. So the first one is in the shade Deeply Maroon. This is like the color is very deep, and I love the quality, and that is why I got a lot of them. The next one is by Luscious Cherry. This is how the color looks, like a very cherry sort of, obviously. Then is like Cool Coral. It's a bit shinier, but it's really good. I really love. The next one is a repurchase. Actually, this is Pink Crush. It's like a very neutral shade, very good for if you want to wear nail paint and you don't want to show anyone, just very light sort of nail paint. This is best. I really love this. I have one more, and I repurchased this actually. And the next one is True Rose. Even this is really cool. It's like a very cool toned rose color. And the last one is I think, yeah, this is just rose. So this is like a very bright pink. So it's very good for during festive season when you just want to do like this sort of color works when you are not wearing any accessories on your hands. So I think this is the way. So I got 6 of them for so I got 3 for 169 and other 3 for 169. So it was on the offer. And the last 2 things which I really loved from the Avon is their lip balm. They always have that sort of deal where actually one retails for 199, but they have sort of deal where you get 199 with 2 lip balms. So this deal came last month, which was March, and I ordered because I have tried their strawberry lip balm, which was so good. It's very long lasting, comes with a SPF as well, and this actually lasts for a really long time. It's like a very high end sort of lip balm. Like I would compare this to Maybelline baby lips. It's really good quality. So this time I also got like the cherry one, so really looking forward to. I really have tried the strawberry one. I've not tried the cherry one, but strawberry one is like the best. So I didn't just thought second time I just ordered it. So I got 199 with 2 lip balms. So a best deal. Which I have tried from them, but I don't have it right now. And I'll just show you, and I'll just tell you the name, which is the Nature Refreshment soap. So they come with like 5 variants. So I have tried the walnut one, which is like exfoliating sort of bar. This is how it looks. Retails for 79, but when you buy 2 of them, so you get it for just 119. So it's quite a good deal. I also tried the whole range of pedicure set which it came, and that was something which I've tried really long back, I think during my 11th standard or something, and I don't have the containers right now because I didn't have my YouTube channel back then. So I have tried all of their pedicure thing, which was the cleanser, scrub, the pack for your foot and stuff, and also it comes with a that sort of a scrubber for your leg. I also got that because it was for sale, and I got the whole range, and that is also really good quality, guys. So if you want to purchase any sort of scrub or foot sort of cleanser and stuff, you can go ahead. Like Avon has really good of them, So yeah, these were all the products which I really love from Avon, and these are my repurchase. If I buy anything more, I'll definitely give my first impression, or maybe I'll do part 2 of this video. If you want more of Avon products, or you want a particular review of any product, let me know. I will do it for you guys. And yeah, I hope that you like this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.